Looking to increase your income today without burning out? Artificial intelligence is changing the side hustle game, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. In this video, I'll show you 5 artificial intelligence-powered side hustles that you can start today, with little to no experience. Stick around to discover the side hustle that can earn you passive income while you sleep. Content creation with AI tools. One of the easiest ways to start making money with AI is through content creation. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai help you generate high-quality written content, such as blog posts, social media updates, or product descriptions, in minutes. If you're a freelance writer or looking to get started, AI allows you to scale quickly by handling the time-consuming parts of writing. For instance, you can use AI to generate outlines and structure your content, then add your personal touch to make it unique. This lets you take on more clients, increase your earnings, and deliver content faster than ever before. To stand out, focus on a niche that you're knowledgeable or passionate about. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you provide the insights that make the content engaging and valuable to clients. Start a YouTube channel with AI video tools. Another highly profitable AI side hustle is starting a YouTube channel, and you don't even need to be on camera. Tools like Pictory let you create professional videos from text, making it possible to run a faceless YouTube channel. Here's how it works: write a script on a topic you love, feed it into Pictory, and the tool will handle the rest, adding voiceover, visuals, and even transitions. You can cover topics like AI tutorials, product reviews, or educational content. The best part: YouTube channels can be monetized through ads and sponsorships once they grow, providing a consistent source of passive income. Focus on creating evergreen content, such as Best AI Tools for 2024, or How to Automate Your Business, to generate ongoing traffic. Which AI-powered side hustle are you most interested in so far? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. AI-generated art for print on demand. AI-generated art is another exciting way to start earning now. Tools like Midjourney and Canva allow you to create stunning, unique artwork without needing any design experience. You can sell your designs on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. For example, you could design t-shirts, posters, or mugs featuring AI-generated patterns, motivational quotes, or abstract art. With Print on Demand, the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service, so your business runs on autopilot once your designs are live. To succeed, focus on niche markets. For example, create designs specifically for fitness enthusiasts or mental wellness advocates. The more targeted your designs, the higher your chances of making consistent sales. Virtual assistant services with AI support. Virtual assistants are in high demand, and AI tools make it easier to offer even more value to your clients. Tools like Reclaim.ai help you automate scheduling and task management, while ChatGPT can handle customer queries or create reports. If you're offering virtual assistant services, AI tools allow you to handle more clients and tasks without becoming overwhelmed. For example, Reclaim.ai can automatically find time in your schedule to book meetings, while ChatGPT can draft responses to common emails. This not only increases your productivity but also allows you to charge higher rates or take on more clients. Offering AI-enhanced virtual assistant services can set you apart from competitors, especially in specialized industries like real estate or e-commerce. You can offer additional services such as social media management or customer service automation, all powered by AI. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income, and AI can take your strategy to the next level. Tools like Copy.ai can help you craft persuasive product descriptions, blog posts, and even email marketing sequences that convert. Here's how you can start. Pick a niche or product you're passionate about, whether it's AI tools, tech gadgets, or fitness products. Use AI to generate content promoting these products, such as reviews, tutorials, or comparison posts. By driving traffic to your affiliate links, you can earn commissions on each sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once your content is live, it can generate income passively over time. The more content you produce with AI's help, the more streams of revenue you can create. Focus on multiple platforms, such as a blog, YouTube channel, and social media, to increase your earnings. In conclusion, these 5 artificial intelligence-powered side hustles are all you need to start generating extra income right now. Whether it's creating content, building a YouTube channel, or selling AI-generated art, the opportunities are endless. If you're serious about starting your side hustle journey, hit that subscribe button and join our community. I'm dropping more detailed how-to guides and tips in the next few videos, so turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Until next time.